Guys, welcome back. In the previous video, in the last video, we were able to um create point groups and also we need to create groups and also use the groups to now differentiate our points. At least we were able to do so. There's something I still want to reduce this my points. I want to make them smaller. So I just go here straight point groups. Right click on it now. So I go here. No. Let me go to all points. All points has so I can go to all points. I can use any. I can use since we are using the same setting, the same point style, the same point label style that we are using for some for like for most for the only I think only the drain. That's why we have changes to the point style. But the points labels they're all the same. So I want to work on the point label. So I can just pick anyone and work on it. There's a properties. I click on the anyone. Let me say Colbert. Then I right click. Then I have properties. Then I'll go here. So what I'm going to do here is okay. I think it's not here. I can change it from here. Then but I can go here. I think I did some overrides here. Okay, wow, I didn't do any settings here. So this one is still working according to the old one. So I can say basic. My basic. Since this one is Colbert. Then okay. Then I change it here to my point celebration. All those. So I can decide I want this to be smaller. I want this point number, point details to be smaller. So I can say okay, uh, edit current selection. Then I can make it 0.2. Point number also. After I've done point description, I go to point number. I say 0.2 also. Then I go to point elevation. I can say 0.2 also. So I have okay. Let's see how it's can see it's smaller. It makes my drawing neater and then I can easily see the points. I can easily see where they belong to. So I can also decide to change this the point label, the point style. I'll go here. I'll go here. Then I can change it from here. I can say okay, my basic. Okay, let's edit it. Edit current selection. Then I can say point two also. So it will definitely take effect on all the point groups except the drain because I didn't use my basic for it. I used my basic drain because it will say me. So I can go to drain now, properties, then this is my basic drain. So I can edit it from here, edit current selection, then 0.2. So I have this. So it has reduced also. So I love it like this. I can even if I the way it is, I can decide now to make them closer, but we don't have to spend much time on that. So the next where we're going to now is let's see why this it's important to group our points. Now the next stage after you have sorted your points, you are okay with it, the way it's the appearance. The next stage is to now create. Let's make the features show in terms of form of drawing. That means you still need to learn to now you have to start drawing the culverts where they are located based on the points, the shops, the buildings, the transformer if we have them. It will help you a lot when you are designing. Because you know that social places, shop, social places, building, social places, test line, social places, culvert. So you know as you form your design then also, and drain with this the proper place is drained, so you know that your road should not be close to the place. So let's look at how we can sort out these points. So we have all points. There's one thing about all points. All points comprises all the points. So if anything, any settings, whatever you have as settings in all points, any group, any point group that is under, that is below the all points will definitely follow the settings. Let's go further. Let's show it. As I've said earlier, this class is going to be a class that practical should be done, not just say. So let's look at this. Let's change the properties, these all points. Let me check the properties. Let me have here right. Let me say, oh wow, I didn't even click this one. Let's say I want to change this one to none. Should not appear. So none means nothing will appear. None. So as this now, some points are up. Those points that they will not create group for, that are still on that only on points, they will not appear. But if you look at it, you can see that whatever we're going to have here will be the ones that we are created group, that we are put in a particular group. The ones that will not put in a particular group in groups will definitely disappear. So, but let's look at it. Let's bring drain. We have drain. Let's look for drain. Okay, we have drain here. Just watch. Let's bring point properties, point groups. Then right click. Go to point groups. Click on point groups. Then right click on properties. Right click on point groups, then you have properties showing up. So let's bring drain below all points. So now points. Okay. Can see we don't have drain again. All the drains will disappear. We will not have drain again. So that is the essence of having them in points in groups. So let's say we want to work on drain. Let's say we want to work on only culvert. We want only culvert to appear. So what you do, you bring you can go to point groups, click on point groups, just a single click, no double click, then right click, then to bring out properties. So you bring out this one. So building comes down. Instead of you wasting time, you can just click on this to bring down straight. So we have only the way it is now, it's only points covered that is above all points. So just click OK. What we are going to have here is only convert points. I say converts, CLVT, converts, converts, converts. Only the points that are meant for convert will appear. So if you want to join your converts, you can do it. So the next thing is to now draw these converts at these points. So when we are designing, you'll be saying, so you can decide to say, okay, you can create what I normally do, I create layers for it. I create layer, I come here to it seems I'm faster. Something I've been doing for a long time. This is the 15th year, so I'm so fast in it. So you create the click on layers, then you can create layer if I've not created before. So you have a converse. So you can make it, you can set it correct. So you close it. So now this is the center of the culvert. This is the culvert. This is the edge. This is the edge. So mostly what some people do is they pick the invert. The invert means the base of the culvert. The base, that is the like the bed of the stream or the river. So you can just say L, you draw your line around it. So you can make it like this so that because this should make it look like a culvert by the time you draw the ring walls. So you have culvert here. So now that means the center of this road is here at the middle. So this will guide you a lot. So sometimes some surveyors are very good. Some surveyors what they do when they pick their data, they import into AutoCAD, they will now do the drawings of those features for you. So what you need to do is just to open the drawing. Like this one for this road is this. You can see was done by the surveyor. This these ones are the edges of the road. These are buildings. So what I will just do, I will come here. They don't use layer. Some of them use layer, so it's difficult to just up that. I'll come here, pick. But the reason is a lot of them use polyline, so it makes the work easier. So you pick the culverts and their locations. So we have this one. So we have all of this. So now you can decide and say, okay, I've picked the ones that I need that for a while for don't let us waste much time. So you can say right click, you can right click, you say copy. So you come back here, just say, just right click again, say clip, you right click, you come to clip, right click, come to clipboard, say paste to original coordinates. Paste to original coordinates. So that's it. So some forms there. So this one, okay. Let's see what is happening. Let's go back. Let's go back to our all points. Let's have our all points on. Let's say these are some of the features, some of the things you say when you are designing the all point animation. So we can see, oh, that means there was an error. We'll see what happened. This one was labeled as spot height, but it's actually culvert. So that's why we're having issue. That's why, yeah, we went. That's why bringing them, importing them from the drawing given to the offline surveyor, it solves a lot of problems because they are the ones that picked data. But maybe don't why they were picking it, they forgot to change it to change the description to convert. So that's why sometimes you need to get information as much as possible. So now, so you can see that the whole aim of doing this is just to bring in the to show us that we can have a surveyor who has already some surveyors do it, they draw everything for you. So all you just need to do is to copy and paste. So the next video we would come up, we will continue working on it, we continue bringing some of these features. But now at least we've shown ourselves, we've showed us how to we've been able to group our data, our survey data. We've been able to see why it's good to group them. Then we've been able to bring some features from the drawing, from a particular drawing to another drawing. We've shown us that when you want to copy, you copy from another drawing. When you want to paste, you paste to another coordinate. Thank you very much. Let's meet in the next video.